Good morning, children. Welcome to AyaansEasyMath Olympiad. The question is given: find all the solutions in positive real numbers A, B, C, D to the following system: A plus B plus C plus D is equal to 12. A, B, C, D is equal to 29 plus 27 plus AB plus AC plus AD plus BC plus BD plus CD. The question is given from British Mathematical Olympiad in the year 1996. So here, those who are new to this channel, subscribe the channel so that you can get the latest updates. So your subscription is very very important because it is a new channel. So pause the video for 10 seconds and think about this problem. Can you solve this problem or not? If not, you can continue the video. If any easy methods are there, you can give the suggestions also. Comment in the comment box. Okay, we are going to start the problem. So here in this problem we are going to use AM and GM. AM and GM inequality to solve this problem. AM and GM inequality. So here we are taking AM and EM inequality into our second equation. So ABCD. ABCD is greater than or equal to 2 plus 6 root of ABCD. We are applying the AM and GM here. So sending all the terms to one side. ABCD minus 27 minus 6 root of ABCD is greater than or equal to 0. So here you can write it as root of ABCD whole square minus 6 root of ABCD minus 27 greater than or equal to 0. So here it is a quadratic. So take root of ABCD is equal to x. It will become x square minus 6x minus 27 greater than or equal to 0. So here you can write factors: x square minus 9x plus 3x minus 27 is greater than or equal to 0. So x into x minus 9 plus 3 into x minus 9 greater than or equal to 0. Therefore, we will get x minus 9 into x plus 3 greater than or equal to 0. So here you can write, if you are going to the problem, root of ABCD minus 9 into root of ABCD plus 3 greater than or equal to 0. So this is another part of what you have done, quadratic. So here all are positive values. A, B, C, D is greater than or equal to 9. Here you will get negative. So we are not taking that. So by combining this, this is combined by first equation, combining with first equation. This is combining by first equation. What will get fourth root of ABCD is greater than or equal to A plus B plus C plus D by 4. So here this is applying AM and GM inequality. Applying AM and GM inequality, it implies A is equal to B is equal to C is equal to D is equal to 3. Is the only solution. is the only solution we are having now. So I hope you like the video. Thank you for watching Ions Easy Max Olympiad. If you like the video, subscribe the channel and share the video to your friends. Once again, thank you for watching Ions Easy Max Olympiad.